pause this video and see if you can solve this SAT math problem. Are you ready? Let's go. Okay, so what is given is this exponent division here. For all positive values of x, what is the value of a over b? So we want to bring all the exponents together as this a over b. So the first step that we're going to do is remove the radicals. Okay, so in order to do that, I'm just going to write my exponents here. So we have square root of x to the fifth power divided by cube root x to the fourth power. So I'm going to rewrite this as x to the fifth power divided by 2, because if you remember, square root of x is going to be, when you remove the radical, is x to the 1/2, the power of 1/2. So all I did was remove the radical. So there's already a 5 in the numerator, x to the fifth power, so it's going to be 5 divided by 2. And then in the denominator we have cube root, so I'm going to write it as x to the fourth power divided by 3, because if you remember, cube root of x is going to be x to the power of 1/3. So there's already 4 in the numerator, it's going to be 4/3. Okay, very good. So now we have that. We're going to go to our step 2, which is essentially we are going to bring the x values together, okay, by this rule of exponents, where we have, if you have 1 over x to the m, you can rewrite this as move it to the numerator and x to the power of negative m. So you move it to the numerator and then it becomes negative in sign. So that's what we are going to do here, x to the power of 5 by 2, and we're going to move this to the numerator, the denominator to the numerator. It becomes becomes x to the power of negative 4/3. So we just change the sign. Okay, so use the laws of exponents. Now step 3 is we are going to combine these together. Remember the law, if you have x to the power of m times x to the power of n, you're going to add or subtract the exponent. So x to the power m plus n, or m minus n if there's a negative. So here we're going to combine these two. So we have, it's going to be x to the power of 5 by 2 minus 4/3. Okay, very good. Now final step is we're going to we need to LCD this. Okay, so in order to LCD, you can build up both terms. LCD is going to be 6. So I have x to the power of, so I need to build the first one to 6, so multiply with 3, so it's 15/6 minus so again 6th, it's going to be 8/6. Okay, so let's go ahead and LCD this. Then this is going to be x, 6 in the denominator, 15 minus 8 is 7. So now this is in the form that we needed, but we need a over b. So we wanted to equivalency, x to the power of a over b is x to the power of 7/6. So what is a over b is 7/6. And that is going to be our final answer. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Have a nice day. Bye.